Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Dr. Ashraf Elhoufi. I am consultant and the head of the intensive care unit at Dubai Hospital. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite each and every one of you to our upcoming conference, the Emirates Critical Care Conference in its 19th edition, which will be held in the Event Center of Dubai Festival City on May 12 to 14. Over the last 18 years, we promised and we delivered. This year, we promise you even a better and bigger event where a world-class scientist from all over the world, local, regional, and international, will deliver to you a top-class, updated management about critical care medicine. So don't miss the event and join us in the ECCC Dubai 2023. Thank you and be safe.